Right, we got about 2 hours before dark, so I am in the Astrobus. I'm about to make my way to Simon, about a 30-minute drive, and then we're going to venture out somewhere and do some astrophotography. So we've got our DSLRs tonight, nothing too complicated, so we're going to look to do some star trails, some time lapses, maybe some Milky Way shots, although the Milky Way core's a bit low at the moment. Yeah, so we'll give that a go. But tonight, apparently, is the meteor shower, and it's been all over the news, so they're all excited. So who knows, we might get a show to show you that as well. At the same time, my observatory will be working. I'm working on the Croc's Eye Galaxy, and I'm also now just started a project on the Pinwheel Galaxy with my CT10. So we've got loads going on. Let's hope it all works. But first thing I've got to find out when I turn up at Simon's is who's forgotten what, because one of us is bound to have forgotten something. Try and guess what it is. Here, Simon.
Yeah.
I'm going to be filming you.
Filming you.
Filming me. Filming you.
We're going up the road.
Are we going up the road?
Up the road.
Up the road.
Suffolk like what I do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're going up the road, mate.
Okay, dokie. Let's go then.
All right. Are we having a coffee first? Take one with us.
Go on then.
Yeah.
It'd be rude not to.
It would be.
Go on.
Where are we going, Glenn?
Up road.
Up the road.
I don't know. You're guiding me.
I'm guiding you. Okay, turn right.
I'm turning right.
Turn right here. Fire brigade.
Back in the day, I used to wear that a lot.
We're here.
We're here.
We're here. Let's get out and have a look. I reckon you're there, mate. Let's go and have a look. Right, let's see if we can open this gate. Nice, we're in.
Right, Simon's dragged me off to some dodgy looking church in Shelland, wherever Shelland is, not far from where he lives actually. We've got a nice bit of light, so should really get a good picture of the church while we've got this sort of blue hour. Try and work out where, if there's any Milky Way that's going to be up, but we need a full night really. I think it's early hours that comes over, but never mind, we'll get what we can. Looks like a nice church though, so let's spin you around, you can have a look. So, what did we forget? We both said we'd forget something. Simon forgot a battery pack for his dew heater, but luckily I bought some spares, so he's got one of mine, so that'll be okay. I forgot my Arca Swiss plate for my other tripod, because that's on a little gizmo I bought for rotating the camera quickly from landscape to portrait, and I took it off, and now I've left that at home, so I was bound to forget something. Never mind, it just means I won't have the 6D up tonight, but I've got my A7S, and I'm going to do some video to the north with that, and I'm hoping to capture some of the Lyrids meteors tonight, so keep our fingers crossed we capture a couple of them. That would be really nice. And with my EOS R, I've taken this nice picture of the church, which you can see in front of me there. We're just still getting to the end of the blue hour, but we're getting some nice images of that, and then hopefully slightly to the north we're going to get the Milky Way. Might have to do it as a composite, but I'm going to hopefully get some nice Milky Way shots, and then make a nice image from that. I want to start doing some nice nightscape I want to do, not landscape, but nightscape. So yeah, wish me luck. How you getting on, Si? He's alright now. He's got his brand new camera, the EOS R6, which is quite a few models on from mine. I bought the very first mirrorless full frame, which was the EOS R, which I've still got today. Lovely camera, really nice. Simon's bought the R6, which looks really nice, and it's got a hell of a lot more features, but he just tried to get an image and he got a black screen, so it's not going as well as he was hoping. It's not going as well as he was hoping, is it, son?
It's not.
Here he is.
I'm there now.
Yeah?
That's the thing with new equipment, you've got to learn how to use it.
Simon, what have you forgotten?
What have I forgotten?
Tonight.
I have forgotten... I remembered the dew strap, but I forgot the power pack.
I got a power pack. I forgot an Arca Swiss plate. I said at the beginning of my video, I said, we're bound to have forgotten something.
Yeah, well, it wouldn't be Astro if you didn't forget something, would it? Let's face it. You always forget something.
We're getting on a bit now, and it's not going to be long before one of us doesn't turn up. That's it. We'll forget one of us, won't we?
Yeah.
Right. Exactly. I've taken a nice image of this. What do you think of this, Simon? Tell me what you think of me. Not that one. I'll go back a bit. I've got a light on it there. Look, what do you think of that?
Oh, that's all right. That's a nice composition. Very nice.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
I was imaging with that in the centre, but I quite like that, the shape of...
Yeah,
I'm going to bring you round so you can all see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But I quite liked... I quite like the shape of this tree here with the down and the gravestones as well. So, and it'd be nice with the night sky behind it. That would look nice.
That'd be if the Milky Way can arch over the top of that, wouldn't it?
I've got a funny feeling it's gonna.
Yeah.
We have ways of moving the Milky Way.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to drink my coffee because I'm getting cold. I don't know, it's cold up here. The wind.
I brought me hand warmers. Did you bring yours?
Yes, they're in there. Look, they're on.
Oh, good. Yeah,
they're on in
Mine's in my bag.
They're lovely.
Nice and warm.
Feel that.
Oh, that's nice.
They're on low, but you know, that's all you need. I'm going to move myself around the other side, Simon, and when it gets dark enough, I'll start the video and we'll see if we can capture some of the meteors. Sorry, the meteors. Okay, the light's starting to fade fast now. We've got a little bit of a moon. Let's spin you up there. Beautiful sky. It's going to be a really clear night tonight. The forecast is very good. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what can come out of it. I'm just waiting for it to get dark enough to the north, and then I'm going to try and get myself some Milky Way shots. I've got my Sony A7S finally working. I really do not like the menus on that camera. They're not as straightforward as Canon. Canon got menus well. Sony, oh boy, they need to sort those. Menus out. I don't think they ever will though. So it's getting nice and dark now. I'm hoping Milky Way is going to start showing itself. At the moment, it's not quite, but we're not quite at astronomical dusk yet. So as soon as we get that, I'm just going to check the time on that in a second. It should start to pop up. A little bit of light on the horizon, so I might have to bring the camera up a little bit to get it slightly above the little light dome now. Not sure what that is. That could be Stowmarket. So I might have to shoot a little bit higher than that.
Right, so I've just come down to Fine Glen. I've set my gear up. What are you doing around there?
I was going to jump out on you, wasn't I?
Are you trying to scare me or something?
Standing around there scaring myself.
Right, this is a churchyard, so yeah. Right, so what gear have you got here then tonight, Glenn?
This is a Canon EOS R, and I've actually got the 16mm f2.8 RF lens on there.
Oh, nice.
So it gives a lovely wide field. Yeah, I've got the observatory open, the EQ6R Pro with the 130 EDQ.
Yeah,
that's
nice.
on the Crocseye Galaxy.
I'm still on that.
And I'm doing LRGB HA.
Nice.
And then the CT10 tonight is on M101, the Pinwheel Galaxy.
Ooh, lovely.
And I'm doing LRGB, HA and O3. Because there is O3 in that as well, you see. And I'm toying with the idea of doing some long integration with that actually.
I would. Pull out some O3.
Yeah, I'm going to give that a long go, because I'm looking at there being a few rigs being swapped about soon, because I've got a couple of. I want to get the SCT working this year. Yeah, a bit better than I had last year. Okay, I had it working last year. Yeah. But I'm not having that in the observatory. That's going to go on the SALS 33. That harmonic mount by ML Astro, which is fantastic. Yeah. So I'm going to have that on there. And I've got S3 Boney's MK 102. I think it's a 102. No, yeah, something like that.
You're not sure?
No, it's only just arrived. I've got to have a look at it. Okay. But yeah, that's supposed to be really good for things like planetary and that. So I'm going to try and get a go on planet. So I'm going to try and use the SCT and the MK, the Mac, and I'm going to see what I can get. So I'm going to give it a go.
Sounds like a plan, mate.
Yeah.
Right.
Need a little bit longer, and then hopefully we can catch this core, see where it is. It's saying, if I show you my phone, you lift your phone up like that there. So it's saying the core is over there, going up like that. So that's what I need to try and capture. It's going over and dropping down over there. It's just that little arch over there. I'm not going to get much of that. God, yeah, I saw your picture the other night, and do you know what? I was getting so annoyed with the Crocseye. The number of satellites that were flying through my frames, I was just thinking, this is a joke.
I know.
I had one where there must have been about 6 in all different directions. I was thinking, what the hell?
That's the same with that one I show you.
There's too much. There's too much of it. You shooing me again, are you?
Shoe you.
Shoe you. I shoe you.
I shoe you.
I shoe you.
Okay. All right, here we go. I showed you.
I mean, you know, Hugh Jackman wouldn't be very happy with The Greatest Showman. Do you say The Greatest Showman, or do you say The Greatest Showman?
Greatest Showman.
Well, how can you say showman, but then when you say show, you say shoe?
Shoe.
Shoe. I show you the road. Show you the road.
You take the P out of me, ain't you?
I'm sorry, mate. Oh, it's a nice dialect. You should be proud of it.
Yeah.
Nobody knows what you're saying, but you should be proud of it. Yeah. What do you reckon? Should we go down the van and make coffee?
Should we?
Shall we?
It's a bloody good idea.
I mean, it's a good idea. Leave these running
Let them run.
and come down. Let's go and get a coffee. Come on. I've had to move my golf clubs.
Your golf clubs?
Yeah.
I can't believe you're taking up golf.
I know.
What are these?
I need cups. I needed a sport, mate.
Yeah, I bet.
Right, let's see if I can turn this on without blowing myself up.
Yeah. I'm recording, so... Is it going to give bang? No, it didn't.
Got my milk frother.
I just noticed that. You got your milk frother.
Got my milk frother.
Lovely.
They're definitely worth... They're not even expensive when you think about it.
They're 20 quid, right?
There you go. One push. That should.
Yeah.
I've got the old inverter there and me milk frother.
See, I'm gutted that I haven't got my Obsy going. Yep.
That literally chills to temperature like -5 in about 15 seconds. It's ridiculous.
Really?
Like, yeah, the EQ6 is slewing away and everything,
quick.
and the CT10 is just still sitting there waiting for the 2600 to get down to temp.
Blimey. I'm nearly down to -1. So.
Well, we've had refreshments and we're now making our way back up to the gear to see how it's all going.
Back to the van then.
Back to the van.
Glenn, they lied to us. They said there'd be meteors. There's no meteors here tonight. Well, let's hope we got some nice images, mate. It's been a good night,
We
hasn't
got
it?
something we can work with.
Yeah.
You know what it's like.
Right. Wow. It's been a good night, mate. Thanks for coming out with us.
Oh, it's been good. I love coming out.
Yeah.
We haven't been out for such a long time.
I know.
Such a long winter. Where
Seems like it, doesn't it?
Didn't play ball at all for us, did it?
No.